Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of baby food making to help you find the best baby food maker for your little one. Whether you're a new parent or looking to upgrade your current setup, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more parenting tips and product reviews. Number 1. NutriBullet NBY50100 Baby Complete Food Making System, a game changer for busy parents everywhere. This sleek, compact device streamlines the process of preparing nutritious meals for your little one. With its 32-ounce capacity and dual-color design in white and blue, it not only looks stylish on your kitchen counter but also delivers exceptional performance. From purees to smoothies, this all-in-one system effortlessly blends, chops, and purees fruits, vegetables, and more, ensuring that your baby receives the best possible nutrition. Its user-friendly design makes it easy to use and clean, saving you time and hassle. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, the NutriBullet Baby Complete Food Making System empowers you to provide wholesome, homemade meals for your baby with ease. Number 2. EVLA's Baby Food Maker, a game changer for busy parents. This all-in-one solution streamlines the process of making nutritious homemade baby food effortlessly. With its intuitive touch screen control, steamer, blender, and food processor functionalities, preparing wholesome meals for your little one is a breeze. The included 6 reusable food pouches are perfect for storage or on-the-go feeding, ensuring convenience and sustainability. Whether you're pureeing fruits, veggies, or meats, this device delivers consistent results every time, saving you precious minutes while guaranteeing your baby's health. Say goodbye to store-bought jars and hello to fresh, delicious meals tailored to your baby's needs with EVLA's Baby Food Maker. Number 3. NutriBullet Baby BSR0801N Turbo Food Steamer, the ultimate companion for busy parents looking to prepare healthy and nutritious meals for their little ones. This sleek and efficient steamer is a game changer in the kitchen, offering quick and convenient meal preparation with its turbo steam technology. With its spacious capacity, it allows you to steam a variety of ingredients simultaneously, saving you time and effort. The intuitive controls make it easy to customize the steaming process to suit your needs, while the compact design ensures it won't take up precious counter space. Whether you're steaming fruits, vegetables, or meats, the NutriBullet Baby BSR0801N Turbo Food Steamer delivers consistent results every time, ensuring your baby gets the best start to a healthy life. Number 4. Growncy Baby Food Maker, the ultimate solution for busy parents looking to provide nutritious meals for their little ones effortlessly. This all-in-one baby food processor combines blending, steaming, and grinding functions into a single, convenient machine. With its intuitive touch-screen LCD display, you can easily control the cooking and grinding process, ensuring perfect results every time. The auto-cooking feature takes the guesswork out of meal preparation, while the self-cleaning function simplifies cleanup. Plus, with BPA-free materials, you can trust that your baby's food is safe and healthy. Say goodbye to store-bought baby food and hello to homemade goodness with the Growncy Baby Food Maker. Number 5. Biba Baby Cook Solo 4-in-1 Baby Food Maker, the ultimate solution for busy parents looking to whip up nutritious meals for their little ones with ease. This versatile baby food processor combines steaming, blending, defrosting, and reheating functions, all in one sleek unit. With a generous capacity of 4.5 cups, it can produce up to 27 servings in just 20 minutes, perfect for preparing batches ahead of time. Say goodbye to store-bought jars packed with preservatives. Now you can create wholesome, homemade baby food right in your kitchen. The dishwasher-safe design ensures hassle-free cleanup, while the charming eucalyptus color adds a stylish touch to your countertop. Simplify mealtime for both you and your baby with the Biba Baby Cook Solo, your go-to solution for healthy homemade baby food. In conclusion, finding the best baby food maker is essential for ensuring your little one gets the nutrition they need. With our comprehensive review, we've highlighted top contenders to simplify your decision-making process. From functionality to safety features, each option offers something unique to cater to your needs. Thank you for tuning in and exploring these fantastic options with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews, and be sure to like and share this video with other parents seeking the perfect baby food maker.